Have you ever looked at a massive textbook, hundreds of pages thick, filled with endless dates, facts, and complex formulas, and felt your heart instantly sink? You read the exact same paragraph 5 times, but your brain refuses to absorb a single word. If your memory feels like a broken bucket, leaking information faster than you can pour it, you need to listen to this very carefully today, my friend. Welcome back to my podcast. I am Raghuram Bhatt, the memory coach on wheels. The topic of today's episode is three secrets to memorize vast data. Before I reveal these powerful secrets, I want to take you back to a moment that completely redefined my life. It was November 8th, 2005. I was just 19 years old. We were at the Chitravati river in Puttaparthi. I was playing with my friends and we were waded downstream where the water was waist deep. We decided to dive into the water. It was my turn. I walked back to the bank. I jumped myself into the water with my hands stretched out. Since I was a bit tall, my head hit the bottom. Instantly, I felt my neck snap. I was completely dazed and tried to move my limbs. I could not sense a feeling anything. Yeah, I was laying underwater. I was completely paralyzed below my shoulders. My life had come to a standstill. In that fraction of a second, my life took a massive turn. I spent 2 years in the hospital undergoing intensive physiotherapy. It was incredibly painful. But I made a firm decision. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. I realized my disability is in my body, it is not in my mind. When I began exploring my mental potential, yeah, everything changed. I learned powerful memory techniques. I could memorize many things effortlessly, participated in memory championships, and also won medals. Students tell me they are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data they must study for exams. They look at the syllabus and think they need a naturally gifted brain. But the truth is, a great memory is not a genetic gift. It is a highly trained skill, and anyone can learn it. If you want to stop forgetting and start retaining massive amounts of information, here are three absolute secrets to memorize vast data. Secret number one: convert dry information into visual stories. Your brain naturally hates data, dry, boring data. If you try to force raw text, random numbers, or chemical formulas into your head, by staring at them, your brain will quickly categorize them as junk files. It will automatically delete them while you sleep. Human brains evolved to remember vivid images, crazy locations, and dramatic stories. To memorize vast data, you must become a director of your own mental movie. Take those boring academic facts and instantly convert them into ridiculous, highly visual stories. Give your core concepts bright colors, loud sounds, and funny characters. If you can make the information weird and funny, your subconscious brain will lock it in permanently for a very long time. You are no longer reading text, you are experiencing the data in three dimensions. So that was secret number one. That is, convert information into dry visuals. Now let's come to secret number two. Organize information using memory systems. Imagine walking into a massive public library where millions of different books are dumped in a giant messy pile on the floor. If I asked you to find one specific history book, yeah, it would take you months, right? Or years even. That is exactly what your brain looks when you try to memorize things without a clear structure. You are dumping critical data into a messy mental room. To memorize vast information rapidly, You need a powerful mental filing system. You must use established memory systems. This means creating logical mental folders, using specific memory hangers, and associating new unknown information with old well known information. When you organize the data logically inside your head, retrieving it during a high pressure exam takes less than a second. It will become very easy. So, a structured brain is a powerful brain. So, that's secret number two, that is, organize information using memory systems. Now, let's come to secret number three, revise smartly before forgetting happens. Even before the forgetting starts, revise. Many students make the exact same mistake. They study a massive chapter once, then ignore it for an entire month. By the time the final exams arrives, they have completely forgotten everything. They blame their weak memory, but they actually fell victim to the natural forgetting curve. Your brain is efficiently designed to forget what it does not regularly use. Are you getting it? That's a powerful statement. Your brain is efficiently designed to forget what it does not regularly use. To retain vast amounts of data forever, for a very long time, you must revise smartly right before the forgetting happens. You do not need to read the heavy textbooks all over again, yeah? You just need to interrupt the forgetting process. Use active recall to strictly tell yourself 1 day after learning, then 3 days after learning. Strictly test yourself. Use active recall to strictly test yourself 1 day after learning, 3 days after learning, and then a week after learning. This systematic spaced repetition sends a powerful signal to your brain that this data is crucial for your survival. It turns fragile short term memories into unbreakable long term knowledge. You possess an absolutely incredible supercomputer inside your head. It has an infinite potential waiting to be unlocked. You just need the perfect operating system to run it. So, friends, let's make our memory our superpower. Please drop a comment right now and tell me which of these three secrets will you use today. See you again in another new episode. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.